EasyFix Garage Door is your trusted solution for garage door repair near me, Palm Desert, California. With skilled technicians and prompt service, we specialize in fixing all types of garage door issues. From broken springs to malfunctioning openers, we ensure a hassle-free experience and restore your garage door's functionality in no time. Contact our garage door repair services today for consultation. Are you looking for a garage door repair near me? You can stop looking. You found EasyFix Garage Door Repair. Can you replace one piece of garage door? A garage door can indeed have just one panel replaced. How long does it take to remove and replace a garage door? It takes 4 to 6 hours to replace a garage door, but installing one that matches the framework is easier. What is your garage door repair near me area for the Palm Desert, California office? Our local garage door repair near me has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Palm Desert, Sunfair, Chiriaco Summit, Borrego Springs, Anza, Hemet, Palm Springs, Yucca Valley, Desert Hot Springs, Morongo Valley, North Palm Springs, Desert Edge, Thousand Palms, Cathedral City, Cahuilla Hills, La Quinta, Cactus City, Indio, Coachella, California. Where is your Palm Desert, California garage door repair near me services located? We are located at 74399 CA 111 Suite D, Palm Desert, California 92260. Our phone number is 760-354-9983. Visit our website, https://easyfixgaragedoor.com.